Today's story is about something very special, learning together. Did you know that practicing just a little every day can make a big difference? Let's listen to Anna's story and see how small steps at home helped her grow confident in speaking English. Anna came home from school smiling brightly. Hi, Mom, she said cheerfully, putting her school bag down near the door. Hello, Anna. How was school today? Her mother asked, walking in from the kitchen with a warm smile. It was great. In English class, we talked about how to get better at speaking English. Anna said, taking off her shoes. Oh, really? That sounds useful. What did your teacher say? Mom asked with interest, sitting beside her. She gave us ideas like watching English movies, reading short stories, and trying to speak English at home too. Anna replied, her eyes shining with excitement. That's smart, said Mom, nodding. We can do that together. Why don't we speak in English for some time every day? Anna thought for a moment. Maybe we can do it during dinner? I love that idea, said Mom. We can talk about food, our day, and even play word games. That evening, Anna and her mother walked into the kitchen together. The sunlight came through the window, making everything feel cozy and warm. Let's make something easy and tasty, Mom said, opening the cupboard. What about vegetable noodles? Anna suggested. I can help. Great choice, said Mom. Let's speak in English while we cook. It will help you learn. Okay, first we need noodles, carrots, cabbage, onions, and soy sauce, Anna said, reading from the list they made earlier. Perfect. Can you wash the vegetables, please? Mom asked, handing her a bowl. Yes, I can. After that, I will cut the carrots, Anna replied, washing each vegetable carefully. Mom smiled and guided her gently. Nice work. Now I'll show you how to stir fry them. We heat the oil first, then add the onions and garlic. As the pan sizzled and the smell of garlic filled the air, Anna laughed. It smells so good already. They cooked the noodles together, taking turns stirring, tasting, and learning new cooking words, all in English. At the dinner table, the noodles looked colorful and delicious. Anna took a bite and smiled. This tastes so good. You helped a lot, said Mom proudly. And we spoke so much English tonight? Anna nodded. I feel more confident now. I want to try speaking English with my friends too. That's a wonderful idea, Mom said. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. You are learning and practice makes everything easier. Thanks for helping me, Mom. You make learning fun, Anna said, giving her a quick hug. I'm proud of you, Anna, Mom replied with a smile. Let's do this every day. It's a special time for both of us. Anna grinned. Yes, English and noodles every night. They both laughed, enjoying the food, the fun, and their new journey together. Practice tips from the story. Speak English at home with family. Talk while doing daily tasks like cooking. Play word games and describe what you are doing. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Just keep trying. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.